Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick video. This is going to be a unboxing video. I bought some plastic covered concrete weights from Walmart, which cost me $59.99. I really don't need any weight plates. I have over 4,000 pounds of weight plates, limited plates, standard plates, bumper plates. But I want to create a backyard gym, so I want plastic covered concrete weights so they can be outside and they can withstand the elements. Now, I'm here in Northeast Ohio, and even though it's springtime, you can see my dog's water dish is frozen. And the skies are cloudy, and it's cold. It was just snowing earlier. But this is what the package came, what it looks like. And I already have some concrete weights. These are some concrete weight I put on some plastic dumbbells, so they're not going to rust or anything. This is a metal bar, but it has a plastic sleeve. And if it rusts through, it's not a problem because I just buy another one. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. And the packaging seems to be okay. And this is what they look like. So, just looking at it, you get two 25-pound weights, two 10-pound weights, and two 15-pound weights. And it seems to be okay. I don't think I'm going to have a problem with these weights. They're better than what I thought they were going to be. This one has a little bit of concrete leaking through, but I'm not bothered by that. And to be honest with you, I don't really care if they weigh 25 pounds exactly or not, as long as they're heavy. Because my plan is just to do some deadlifts with them. So if I do a 200-pound deadlift, or even a 150-pound deadlift, I'm okay with that. I'm 67 years old, and I'm not trying to bench 350 pounds anymore. I used to be able to do that, but I can't do it anymore. And I'm not trying to deadlift 500 pounds or squat 500 pounds, whatever. I just want to be able to do some, keep from getting feeble or frail. These are the bars that come with it, and I'll say right now, I'm not impressed with them. They look like a two bar. So here are the two section bar that came with the weights, and it appears to have a pin where you're supposed to put it together and then line the holes up and then put the pin in. But to be honest with you, I'm not going to use this bar. I'll just use the bars I have. I already have standard bars. And like I said, the purpose of having the concrete weights is I can throw them in my backyard if it rains on it, if it snows, and it's snowing right now. I don't know if you can see the snowflakes, but like I said, these weights I've had for quite a long time here. I've had them for 40 years, and they look just as good today as when I bought them. So even though I have cast iron weights and bumper plates, made out of rubber, and the standard plates, Even got chrome plates. If you check my other videos, you'll see I actually do have what I, over 4,000 pounds of weight plates. But there is a purpose for concrete, plastic covered weights, and that is they'll last a long time. These have lasted over 40 years. Okay, that's it. That's all I want to do for this video. Like I said, I'm in the process of creating my 4th home gym, which will be in my backyard patio. And when it's done, I'll do another video on that. Thanks for watching.